Hello guys, and gals, I'm going to show you a little bit of stuff for our Connected Drive. Sorry, I'm recording it with my iPad mini, and the video is a little bit grainy, sorry to say. So here we go. So first you need to plug your iPhone into your USB port. You can see there's mine. I'm using the white Apple stock lightning cable. I purchased a Belkin black lightning to USB cable, and it doesn't seem to work very well out of the BMW USB connector, just so you guys know. Because it is the iPad, it might get a little shaky. I apologize greatly. If it's too much of a problem, I'll redo it with another iPhone. So we're going to go to Connected Drive. I have already started the app on my phone. It's a good idea. You have to have the app running on the phone to have this stuff work, so you know. So first thing we're going to do is just look through the various apps we have. There's the EcoPro Analyzer, which will sort of play a little video game with you as you go, showing you anticipation and acceleration. As you accelerate in an efficient manner, it gives you a star. As you anticipate braking and slowing down properly, it gives you a star. The more stars you get, the smoother that road goes. Just sort of a little efficiency video game. Here's web radio, tons of different web radio things. KKJZ. Ta-da. Oh, also, I'm not the upgraded HK radio because I just wanted the first car that came off the truck. So this is just standard radio. Okay, so to get back to our Connected Drive, we hit menu, Connected Drive, press the left or hit back, and you're back in this list. Web radio, wiki local, which is kind of funny. It'll show you a little touristy kind of guide about where you're at. So right here, I'll probably tell you about Northridge, Highland Hall at CSUN University. I'll go to Facebook. I can do lame Facebook posts. I don't think I'll ever use this, but it'll tell me people that have done things. And then I can do things like, look, I'm online with my BMW. Lame. Twitter, don't need to twat. Calendar, it'll show me calendar events. So basic things that I've got to take care of at work. BMW news, as well as other news. And again, this is all the stuff that's built into the app. So I think this is set up just for BMW Motorsport right now. And then additional apps. These are additional apps that are loaded on your phone that have connectivity with BMW Connected. So we have Audible, I could play some audiobooks. We have Pandora to do Pandora type stuff. Stitcher and TuneIn are both, if you don't know of them, Stitcher does podcasts, and TuneIn is like a web radio type thing. And then there's MLAP Timer, which I'm just absolutely in love with. So much fun. I've been doing it on every trip to and from work. Why not? In its default state, just shows you that. If we start recording, it's now recording any inputs the car gets, any moves the car is doing. It's a full data recorder. Well, no, not full. It's a pretty minimal data recorder. But one fun thing is you can see the G-force view. So as you move around, that little red dot in the center starts squirreling around and doing stuff. It's really freaking cool. What I'll do is I'll post up one of my my laps, because you can download these things in iTunes. I'll post one of these files up in a post here. Pardon me, it's early morning. I've got cough mouth. Let's go back to Connected Drive. See what else we've got. BMW apps, additional apps. I haven't really played with Pandora or anything. I want to get over and show you guys some of this online stuff. There's some other things. So this BMW Online. Let me stop myself. That's it for BMW apps on the phone. I'm going to go over this BMW Online thing now, where it shows you, somehow it's using my phone to talk to Google. I don't really know how any of this works. If anyone wants to chime in, feel free. It does simple things like weather. I think there's stock prices you can get on this for an extra charge. So it tells me basic weather. Not like my iPhone doesn't show me this stuff, but it's just kind of a fun, geeky, gadgety thing to have in my car. This is you can see how fast it's working, and I'm on pretty darn fast LTE here, by the way. The applications it has that can be kind of cool are Yelp and fuel prices, which I think are pretty bitchin'. So fuel prices, it'll tell you. Oh, come on. No, I don't want to delete applications. I just want to. There you go. So fuel prices, it'll show you the local fuel prices, and you can sort them by distance. I believe it is. And I've told it I just want premium. So if I want to go to my local Chevron, there we go. take me there. So that's kind of handy. The other thing that it will do is, where is BMW Online? The top, what was the top one? I'm hitting the back button. BMW Online. Come on, don't keep on showing me fuel prices. Okay. Weather online search, Yelp. You can do Yelp searches for stuff. Online search for basic stuff in here. So there you go. That's pretty much what it's got. If there's any other questions or anything else you guys want me to delve into, feel free to ask, and I'll do that. No problem. And as you can see, my phone, it's down here, just kind of hanging out. It's actually, there it is. That's the M-Lap timer running right now, because I have that running on the screen here. If it wasn't the M-Lap timer, it would be showing whatever app it's running. Like if I was running Audible would be running, and so on. The last thing I just want to do is, now that I'm done, right, car's all finished, shut the car off. I've now stopped the car, or at least I've turned the ignition off. Now, when I go back to BMW Connected, that's really hard to do. It just shows you some basic stuff. Sorry, focusing the iPad. Okay, unplug. It shows you basic stuff like how much fuel do you have, how much range. It actually tells you your fuel in gallons, right? I assume if you're in metric, it would tell you in liters. And it tells you the last time that you were connected. I hope this was helpful for you guys and gives you the info that you need to maybe get the tech package with the iPhone and the iPad or not. Okay, take it easy. Have a great day.